We hosted our first international cleanup down in Costa Rica, a place I called home for a while before this whole Fit People journey started. A place of immense beauty, nature, tranquility, and a lot of bumpy roads. There was a lot to explore throughout our trip. There were beautiful sunsets, peaceful beaches. We hung out with the locals, or at least tried to hang like locals. During our downtime, we did find straws, a lot of them. We picked up what we could. Hung out with Costa Rican dogs on the beach. You won't see a happier dog than down in Costa Rica. This was at our first stop in Osara, so we continued to have more bumpy roads on our way to Playa Grande. We arrived at the pipe house, which are eco-friendly concrete pipes that you stay in. We enjoyed a lot of delicious organic food, about as fresh as you'll find it. And towards the final leg of our trip, we hosted our cleanup. I think the biggest takeaway for me was the amount of help we had from the locals and how much they cared about the issue. And rightfully so, because all of the plastic and trash that we create ends up polluting the beaches and waters that they call home. Overall, it was an amazing trip. A lot of great memories and hopefully some viable impact. It's important to understand that the plastic and trash that's in our oceans is coming from land. So it's up to us to turn this around. And we're going to do that piece by piece, person by person. We are going to make this happen with your help. So join us.